Hello, welcome back everyone. Today in logging in, I will be showing you how you can fix Facebook 6-digit code not received. So first open the Facebook. Here you click on forgot password. Now you need to provide your phone number to check whether you will receive a code or not. Find your account. You can see the account of yours. You tap on that. Now you need to choose a way to log in. If you remember a password, you can log in, but we are going to solve the code issue. So you need to click on get code. You need to choose a medium to how you want to receive a code. We're going to choose the via SMS and click on continue. Now, Facebook has sent you the code on your phone number already. You just need to wait for the code. If you receive the 6-digit code, you can just type in over here and click on continue. Cases now, if you do not receive the text, you need to make sure that you are able to send and receive a simple text to somebody. You also need to make sure that you're connected to a good internet connection or Wi-Fi connection. Or try restarting your phone. Even though after everything you did not receive the code, you can choose the other option of get code via email. Once you click on that, they should be able to send you something to your email and have access to your account with the code. You will probably have your Facebook account in your email and you will be able to receive the code on your email as well. So this is how you can fix the Facebook 6-digit code not received. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.